go to solution, select the basket, API, add container compose support. Now in this container compose support, you are going to choose Linux, Docker file, Docker default 8.0, and this one, click OK. Now see, there is a Docker file is creating. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you double click on that, it will take care of basket API, basket application, basket core, basket infrastructure. And then everything is taken. You all know this one, right? We all know this one, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, please unmute. Nothing wrong. Only a couple of people are there. Please unmute everybody. Nothing wrong. Okay. Once you've done that, you need to call this basket to update this YAML files. This file, override file and YAML file. See, the basket API is created automatically. Did I create it or it automatically created?
Yeah, it is there.
It's automatically created. Now here, you have to go and say the port number 8002:8080. Why I am using 8002? Can anyone tell me the reason?
Because already it is already used. The first one is.
See, catalog API is already used. Catalog.api user is already used 8001. Understand? Now here, basket API is going to use 8002. Clear, ma?
Yeah.
Everybody clear?
Yes.
Prasanna, Vamsi,
Yes.
Vivek, Ashok. Now what I'm going to do, you go to this Docker compose YAML here. You see, I got the Docker file. You got the
Yes,
Docker
yes,
file or not?
Yeah.
Now, this services should require a database for us, Redis Cache database in the Docker. Do we need a Redis Cache or not?
Yes.
To run this, do we need a Redis Cache database into the Docker? Say yes or no. Am I audible?
Yes.
Get the Redis Cache. What I will do, I'll go to solution. You see override. You see the basket DB? Are you able to see the basket DB? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This basket DB, first you have to create a container called basket DB. So you go here in the override service API, basket DB. Okay. Now here you say container name basket DB and then restart. Always. See, you have to be careful. This one, the line is more important. Otherwise, see, if you smooth this also, it will throw error. It should properly align. This alignment you have to take care always. And then what is the next step? What is the ports you require? Port is, this is the ports. You copy this. Always Redis cache will run under this port. Okay. Now you created a basket DB with the container always starts and then this is the port number the DB will run. Now what I want to do,
Sir, what's the difference between restart always versus unless stop?
come again?
There are two options now in like restart option. You will put always.
No, restart always have. Every time whenever you are open when you close it, automatically get stopped. When you open it, automatically the DB will get restarted. So that is the reason we are having a Docker restart always. Okay. Discount basket. This is the container. Okay. Now this container, I required a compose.yaml override compose.override. Now you see here, you got the basket DB image. You copy this, go back, you say here, paste. Now you are telling the basket DB should have an image of Redis. This image will automatically pull and it will try to execute. Understand? Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, once you've done the Redis in the override, you are already having a basket DB. Now coming down here in the environment, you need to make some changes. What is my changes? No need to do anything. It will work. Once you've done that, this is my.
Sir, if you want to change some other settings, then how we will
Come again.
like if you want to alter with the settings that you will try different things in this YML.
I'm not audible. Can you be audible? Come in front of the stuff.
Hello, unclear?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah,
Sir, I'm asking like if you want to alter setting in this YML file, like try different things, then how we will check that?
that I will teach you. For
Okay.
Docker, you don't require to change the YAML file. It
Okay.
automatically taken care because the same thing only will push to the every places.
Everywhere it is the same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
So now here you need to add this basket. This guy you need to add. How we add the catalog? The same way we need to add the basket. You see here. This is catalog DB, basket DB. PG admin is not required right now. Catalog environment, we are already done. So in the environment, what we did, we use the DB collection. Now here in the basket API, you see the environment is development. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to use this guy. Okay, so what will happen? It will call the basket DB 6379 with the port number, and then you should have depends on this URL will run depends on from which DB? Hyphen basket DB. Okay, so you see the DB here, basket DB, and this basket DB will automatically called, which will run here. Now let's see the cache setting and connection string which are available in the app setting.json. See, you are having a cache setting and connection string. This guy will replaced with this port number, basket DB 6973. Now once you've done that, save all, rebuild the project. Today I'm deploying two containers. One container is catalog Another container is basket. Just go here, clean solution, and then build your solution. In meanwhile, let me start my Docker desktop. See, build succeeded. All the files are build succeeded. Now what I'm going to do, minimize the project, go to Docker desktop. Let's start the desktop. Engine can start. In meanwhile, you go back to the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Keep the project alive. You see the Docker will come here. Not this one. Close folder. File. Open folder. You see, I got the Docker and everything, compose YAML, Docker desktop, view config, enable watch, everything will be there. Close all. Keep it ready. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. Images. I'm deleting the space. Volume, no volume. Kubernetes, no volume. Build, no volume. Nothing is there. Now what I'm going to do here, Docker hyphen Docker hyphen compose up. See, it is pulling the API and downloading the Redis cache. Say yes or no. It is downloading the API, deploying, and pulling the Redis cache, installing into the image.
Denied.
It's not denied. Just wait. Redis is installed. Say yes or no. It is trying to install and deploy the packages. Wait. See, now the basket DB, catalog API, everything in the basket DB also ready. Everything is ready. Now scroll, go to the desktop. You see, everything is running. Yes or no?
Mm.
Akhil, Ashok, Vivek, Prasanna.
Yes.
Is it running or not?
Mm.
Now click on this. You got the brand API. Same way, click on this. Why is Swagger not found? Try out, run. I think some issue. This one we have to enable firewall. This one load error.
This meeting is being recorded. In recorded. In recorded. In recorded. In recorded.
Akhil AM. What happened?
Mm.
Minimize. Go here. Program.cs file. I'm removing this guy as of now. Rebuild. I'm going to my Docker. I'm just deleting this guy alone. I don't want to do everything, so I'm going to delete alone this guy. Volume, no, logs, no, nothing. Just go to image. Yeah, build succeeded. Just add one more. It will pulling only basket API. It is not pulling the all other stuff because already Docker is having the API and database, so that it is pulling only the Docker API. You see? It is coming. But why it is not working in outside?
You can clean the Docker, everything. You can start from scratch.
I think the URL issue. Swagger.in. This is the issue. Okay. Now you got the basket, you got the create basket, delete basket. Now go and say post a basket. Try out. You say Narendrababu. Okay. And product ID should come from this guy. Close this guy. So this guy need to work means we need to get, we need to log in into Azure. Hold on a second. But the data we are going to get from Azure, right? Azure portal. Scroll down, go to DB, add a firewall, add IP client, save. Now close this guy, go to this guy, get all products. You see, I got the product here, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this product. I added this product here. So what is my product name? Reliance Mobile. What is my price? Which I have 27. Okay. And quantity, I have 2. And then the string, image file path. So I'm going to take, this is the URL. Once I done this, I'm going to unable to resolve the type mediator while attempting to activate a test. It is not working. Somewhere unable to resolve mediator while attempting to activate basket controller dependency injection. Oh, got it. Do we created a dependency injection for this? In the application layer, we need to create a dependency injection, right? You see, I have a dependencies. Are you able to see this class?
Yes.
Yes, sir. No. We need to collect every assembly and we need to use this, right? So what we need to do, we go here, we create the same dependency in the basket application. Right click, I say public. static. Now, got it. Save all. Rebuild the solution. Rebuild the solution. Basic things. We need to have a mediator or pattern. It will again install. Now you go back. Copy the URL. Do we call this method register service?
If you have created the class dependency, then it has to be there only. I mean, if you did not mention over it, it is possible. I mean, we have to mention over in
We have to call this.
dependency. Yeah, that method name has to be there.
Basket dot application, you are having a test. Okay. Done. Done. Basket created. You see? Now go down in the guest basket. What is the name we given? What is null? Why? Let's run through local. You see, I got the basket. Say yes or no. I have Narendra.
Yeah.
I have the shopping cart.
Yes.
Right? Yes or no?
Mhm.
Now, oh, mapper is not working. Odd items are there. Okay, if not, any is wrong. This is the small issue. Now see, I got the data. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Huh? Ashok,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
the small issue. Now see, the basket is having a data. If you look into the main basket, you have Narendrababu with one count. And this guy will update the basket. True. Now take this Narendra. You see, you got the data? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm passing Narendra. Basket is giving a repo. Username with the cart item. Yes. Done. Akhil, Prasanna, Vivek.
Yes.
You got the point? Prasanna?
Yeah, hello. Yes, yes, yes.
Now what I'm going to do? What is my next job? Rebuild your solution. Go back to Docker. Delete the image. Go to images. Delete. Make sure you will have a data. Copy the data. Go to solution. right click, clean, go here, right click, delete. You done? Now go to SQL. Catalog I have, basket I have, everything I have, right? Now go back here, redeploy the Docker. Okay, done. Docker is ready. Go here, try to run. Swagger index.html. Create a basket. Try out. I say Ashok. Basket created. Okay. Now go back. Take Ashok. Get Ashok. See, got the data? Ashok,
Yeah.
Yes.
Docker is done with the Redis cache. Delete. Use Ashok. Deleted. Now go back. Try to get Ashok. No data. Clear, ma? Ashok, you got it?
Yeah. So what is the use of Redis?
To store data. Redis cache is a database. It is one of the database. That's it.
For
Okay.
a faster access rate.
Yeah. It is one of the database we are maintaining. That's it. So we build and deploy two services, catalog service, basket service. Tomorrow we are going to start with discount API. Whenever you are creating a basket internally call a discount for the product. So we have to build this week how to call the basket will internally call a discount API. We can work on that. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, this Redis actually, I have not gone through this one. So you mean to say it is virtual database table or something like that?
No, it is a NoSQL.
Okay,
Redis is a
NoSQL.
NoSQL.
Okay.
It's a
So do we
NoSQL
need
database.
so do we need to install any package or anything for Redis, or you just have to configure it into your YAML file or Docker file? That's it.
Docker, that's it.
Docker. And what are the implementation in our application? I mean, production deployment.
No need, no need to do
Development.
anything. This will automatically go to the database.
No,
See,
no. I am just asking what are the advantages? I mean, why we should use this one when you are working on the production for a company or something like that for any
See,
company.
most of for building dashboards and all, people will use Redis Cache. You see, Kibana.
Okay, Kibana is a
It's
kind
an
of a dashboard.
Elasticsearch DB where the data are stored like that. See,
Okay.
Kibana is a dashboard, but Kibana required data, right?
Yeah, I mean, Kibana, I have seen that probably 5-6 years back, but it's kind of a tool, something like that, right?
No. It is a dashboard where you can build it based on the data, but the data is coming in a form of NoSQL statements. SQL
Okay.
Server will not be used.
Mm-hmm.
For
Okay.
that, backend data we are going to maintain Redis.
Okay.
MongoDB is also.
Understand?
Hello.
Yeah, we
Sir, MongoDB is also there, na? No SQL.
MongoDB, that is different. MongoDB, it is similar to a SQL Server. MongoDB, that is similar to a SQL Server. Tomorrow, I'm going to teach you PostgreSQL with the discount API. Okay?
Sir, why do we use Redis instead of Mongo?
Come again?
Both are NoSQL, na? MongoDB and Redis.
MongoDB is not a NoSQL. It is a SQL.
Okay.
Mongo is not a NoSQL. Redis only the NoSQL. Okay?
Yeah.
Mongo should have a columns, tables, primary key, foreign key relationship. Everything will be there. It's a lightweight DB. So tomorrow we can start work with discount API and we'll see that. Now you all okay, right? With this? Git changes. It is not working. Let's see. We'll do tomorrow. Thank you all. Hello.